Hi friends, you are with me, Dr. Rajasekaran. You are here to learn about research. Today I have come up with the new video on latest changes in MLA 9th edition handbook, and they have published very recently. So I'm going to highlight what are the changes they have incorporated in this 9th edition. Come, let's get started. So this is the 9th edition book. Actually, they published in April 2021. And this is the 9th edition. So far they have published 8 edition. This is the 9th one. Actually 8th edition came only very couple of years back, but quickly they have come up with the 9th edition. And most of the Indian universities, they follow the MLA style of referencing, especially humanities. MLA is the major style. What are the major changes? First, these are the three major changes. They have updated on 5 sections. You know that there are so many sections in the book. In the 5 sections, mainly they have updated. They have incorporated 3 new chapters and they have added 1 new appendix also. These are the major changes. Come, we will see one by one what are they. First thing, update on these 5. First one, they have expanded in-depth guidance on how to use the MLA template of core elements to create works-cited list entries. That shows what each core element is, where to find it, how to style it and all those things. So it's an expansion. Second updation is a new easy to follow explanation of in-text citations. In-text citation is a very crucial part in the thesis and research paper. So there is a separate updated section about how to follow the in-text citation. I'll be showing you the example, all those things. I'll show you the original book. As of now, just listen to this. Next, they have even updated the guidelines on avoiding plagiarism. They have come up with some extra additionally they have added. And next thing, they have expanded guidelines on spelling, punctuation, capitalization and more. That what you call writing mechanics part, they have simply expanded. Already it was there. There are new things they have added. And the one more update is on clarification regarding the element of names are not always literal and why it is according to the situation, why it changes, and you will get a clarity on that. For example, the publisher element can refer to the publisher of a book or a sponsoring organization like a theater company that are put on a play. So what you need to quote and how you need to quote, all those things you'll be able to see in the updated section. Then 3 new chapters. So first one new chapter is on containing recommendation for using inclusive language. Inclusive language means, there may be some kind of biased language, gender biased language, or maybe neutral language has to be there. So here this chapter will guide you how to use inclusive language elements in your thesis and research paper. And another chapter is on formatting a research paper, how you are supposed to format your research paper right from title and headline and everything. There will be a separate chapter. And the one more chapter is a new chapter on using notes in MLA style. Notes means footnotes. How are you supposed to use footnotes in MLA style? That is also a separate chapter, means under the main chapter there is a subchapter they have given. And very importantly, the appendix, the new appendix with hundreds of samples are there. There are so many samples for each and everything they have given. Simply if you follow the appendix, you will thoroughly be able to understand, because the entries are based on the books, databases, websites, mainly YouTube videos, interviews and more, and that will be a ready reckoner for you to understand. So now I have used this reference MLA 9th edition book only. I'm going to show you the book, e-copy of the book. I'm going to show you these changes. I'll show you, I am going to highlight you. Just come, let's go to that book. Yeah, this is the e-copy of the book. You can see this is how it looks. And let me show you first a new appendix section. Look at there. This is what the main thing they have added. Here, if you go to the everything, for example, how you need to work site, 1 author, 2 author, 3 author. the names and all those things. Simply if you click it, it will take you to the particular thing. So if it is self-published thing, the first what you call as usual, second name first and the first name second, and where did you publish and year. And that way you can refer entire thing, whatever you quote. And for example, if it is an e-book version, this version, MLA Handbook 9th edition, e-book edition, Modern Language Association America 2021. This is how this particular book has to be quoted. And in case it's a website, look at there in the website, how you have taken the particular article and all those things are there. All these things you can, once you please buy a book, and or you can download in the online available, and you can download it and you can refer it. And let me show you the one more section about the, let me take you to the spelling punctuation section. Yeah. Just a minute, we just, there is index page at the end. Probably you can check each and every topic. And for example, parenthetical citation, how you are supposed to do it. You can straight away click 6.2. Look at this is one. See how they have given, this is one pattern, this is another pattern, all those things, because I don't have time to explain all these things. This, once you get the book, you will be able to understand. Come, let us see the punctuation. And look at there, how you have to use the punctuation. The separate chapter is there. Just a minute, it will go. And let us see 6.35. Long quotation, how you have punctuated, and everything is available. Just let me randomly show you certain pages. Just this is in case if it's advertisement, how you are supposed to go out, and everything is there. Just to check the book and use the content page effectively, and you will have a complete idea. And especially do not forget to check the newly added sections, which I have mentioned already. And if you have forgotten, just to go back to the 3-4 minutes previous of this video, you will be able to understand and use it very well. Okay, I guess guys, this video will be really useful to you. And if you find it really useful, please do not forget to share to your friends. And importantly, please leave your comment so that I'll be able to understand how whether I am doing it in a right sense or I need to change anything. And let me catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.